Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to add the Trust Wallet address to your ICE app. It's easy to get this done. Open up the ICE application. Once you've opened up your ICE application, make sure you have a verified account or a properly working account. And with that in mind, where we have the BNB Smart Chain address, take note that you can only add the BNB Smart Chain address for now, as the Ethereum network is no longer in use. They're no longer sending the tokens on the Ethereum network. So you have to make use of your BNB Smart Chain address. But you could still copy your Ethereum address and paste it here as well. They both share the same address, but the tokens would be sent to you in the BNB Smart Chain network. So now your next step would be to minimize and open up your Trust Wallet. So once you've opened up the Trust Wallet, simply enter your passcode, and with your passcode opened up, all you need to do is simply scroll through till you find the Ethereum address. If you cannot find the Ethereum address, all you need to do is simply search for ETH being Ethereum, select the Ethereum being the mainnet Ethereum. Once you've selected this Ethereum, click on the receive option, copy this address, minimize and open up the ICE app. Once it's been opened up, where we have the BNB Smart Chain address, click on this address and simply paste the address we had copied from Trust Wallet. So once you've pasted the address, click on confirm address and click on confirm once more. So guys, that's how you can easily add your Trust Wallet address to the platform. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.